Hey gamers, ready to dive into the world of Linux gaming? Trust me, it's more exciting than ever in 2025. Let's check out the top Linux distros that'll supercharge your gaming experience. First up, Manjaro. If you're after a user-friendly experience without skimping on performance, Manjaro is your best friend. It's based on Arch but way easier to install and manage. Plus, it gets you those sweet bleeding-edge updates. Next, Ubuntu, an old favorite, and still going strong. Thanks to its vast community and support, finding help and resources is a breeze. Ubuntu Game Pack is a tailored version packed with gaming essentials. Speaking of flavors, let's not forget Pop! OS. Developed by System 76, it's optimized for gaming right out of the box. With excellent hardware support and the ability to easily switch between GPU modes, it's a solid choice for both casual and hardcore gamers. Now, if you're a more experienced user, Arch Linux might be your cup of tea. It's the ultimate DIY distro. Customize everything and make your gaming rig truly yours. But beware, it's not for the faint-hearted. For those who want their system to be as lightweight as possible, Clear Linux by Intel is a game changer. Optimized for performance, it squeezes out every bit of power from your hardware, perfect for getting those extra frames per second. Then there's Garuda Linux. Specifically tuned for gaming, it comes with a beautiful interface and performance tweaks right out of the box. Ideal for gamers who want top-tier performance with minimal setup. On the retro side, we've got Laka and Batocera.Linux. These distros turn your PC into a retro gaming console. Relive the classics with ease thanks to their user-friendly interfaces and wide emulator support. For the more adventurous, Gentoo offers unparalleled customization. It's a bit of a challenge, but if you love tweaking every little detail, Gentoo's your playground. Debian and Linux Mint are fantastic for stability and ease of use. Debian is rock solid, while Mint offers a polished experience with a user-friendly interface, perfect for gamers who want reliability without much hassle. For FPS lovers, Draugr OS is built specifically for gaming performance. It comes pre-configured with a low-latency kernel and numerous tweaks to give you the competitive edge. Fedora Games and MX Linux are also worth a mention. Fedora Games comes preloaded with a ton of games, while MX Linux offers a lightweight, performance-oriented experience. Last but not least, OpenSUSE and Solus. Both provide a smooth, reliable experience with great community support. OpenSUSE is perfect for those who want a robust, enterprise-level distro, while Solus is ideal for users who want a fresh, modern approach. So there you have it, the top Linux distros for gaming in 2025. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just starting, there's a distro here for you. Get out there and game on Linux style. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.